Hello and welcome back to Lip Code. Today, I am revealing something many of you have been asking about. How to get plump, soft, and naturally fuller lips without fillers, injections, or fancy treatments. This is the real deal. No needles. No expensive lip serums. Just simple, proven techniques that actually work. And the best part, you can do them right at home. If you have ever looked in the mirror and wished your lips looked a little fuller or more defined, stay with me until the end. My secret routine might just surprise you. Let us start with an important truth about lip volume. Lip fullness is not only about genetics or injections. It is about hydration, blood flow, and overall lip health. When your lips are dry or undernourished, they lose color and appear thinner. But when they are properly exfoliated, hydrated, and stimulated, they instantly look fuller, smoother, and more youthful. That is exactly what we are going to achieve, naturally. Step 1 is exfoliation. This one step alone can make a huge difference. You can use a soft toothbrush or make a simple scrub using honey and sugar. Gently rub your lips for about 1 minute. Do not be rough, just enough to remove the dry, dead skin. This boosts blood circulation and gives your lips an instant, rosy flush. It also helps your lip balm or oil absorb better, keeping them soft for longer. Try this once or twice a week, and you will notice a clear improvement. Step 2 is hydration. Hydration is what gives your lips that juicy, pillowy look. The best time to hydrate your lips is right after exfoliating. Apply a natural oil like coconut oil, almond oil, or a mix of honey and olive oil. Massage it gently using your fingertips in small circular motions. This increases circulation and allows your lips to absorb all that nourishment. The massage also helps stimulate collagen production over time, which makes your lips naturally fuller. Now for step 3, the ice trick. Take an ice cube and gently rub it on your lips for about 30 seconds. It may sound strange, but this simple hack makes your lips appear firmer and plumper almost instantly. The cold temperature boosts blood flow and tightens the skin, giving you a natural lift. You can even do this before applying lipstick, as it helps your lip color pop more vibrantly. Next is step 4, the natural lip mask secret. This is my personal favorite. Before bed, mix a drop of peppermint oil or cinnamon oil with a spoon of coconut oil. These natural ingredients create a mild tingling sensation that temporarily enhances blood flow to your lips. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes, then wipe it off, or leave it overnight for a deep treatment. It works just like a natural lip plumper, but without any chemicals. Step 5 is the lip contour illusion. If you want your lips to look even fuller, use a nude lip liner that is just one shade darker than your natural lip color. Outline slightly outside your natural lip line, then fill in with gloss or balm. The shine and light reflection make your lips appear much plumper. And there you have it. My complete natural routine for plump, soft, and healthy lips without fillers. No needles. No pain. No expensive products. Just consistency and care. Remember, real beauty starts with how you treat yourself daily. Even a few minutes of lip care can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend who loves lip care, and do not forget to subscribe to Lip Code for more natural beauty secrets, lip tutorials, and everyday glam tips. Because at Lip Code, we believe your best lips do not need filters, just a little love.